Now back home, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has pledged Jamaica's support for Dominica while speaking in Parliament today. As TVJ's Andrea Chisholm now reports, talks have surfaced about Jamaica's ability to respond to disasters throughout the region by air.
Standing in solidarity with the people of Dominica.
If a request is made, and even if it isn't made and we can, the Jamaica Defence Force disaster response team of 120 men are standing by to provide whatever assistance we can.
That response includes, but not limited to, public order, engineering, relief distribution and damage assessment. But there's a challenge.
Jamaica does not own any airlift capacity that could carry us down to the Eastern Caribbean.
And so Jamaica has reached out to multilateral partners such as the United Kingdom, Canada and the United States for assistance. Opposition Member of Parliament Ronald Thwaites wants to take it a step further.
It is necessary for us to think long term along these lines about commissioning a ship which would be fitted out and available for the relief of disasters within at least the areas covered now by SEDIMA.
Mr. Thwaites adds that the ship can also be used by the Caribbean Maritime University to not only train students in maritime but disaster preparedness and relief. The Prime Minister supported the idea, adding that talks have begun with Trinidad's Prime Minister about co-sponsoring a ship. Canada may also provide assistance. In the meantime, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips says both Hurricane Irma and Maria will have a devastating effect on the region. In response, he says CARICOM and the rest of the region should mobilize the international community.
We will need to make it clear that in various areas, whether it be debt relief or whether it is the provision of funds, but this massive reconstruction effort which is going to be necessary is something that Jamaica has an interest in. I think it also behooves us to raise our voices loudly in this region. For some people, the idea of global warming seems like an abstraction and remote, but we are witnessing firsthand the growing intensity of hurricanes.
So while Jamaica remains thankful no hurricane visited our island, this message is being reiterated.
Preparation cannot be too much. It is better to be safe than to be sorry.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.